Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel again. I wanted to talk in this video about fiber and how it can actually burn fat. Yes, you heard correctly. There's recent evidence that eating sufficient dietary fibers will promote thermogenesis, or the release of fat from heat, or the release of heat from fat cells. That means less fat, a better metabolism, and ultimately a decrease in your weight, which is most people's main goal. But what types of fiber are we talking about exactly? So I'm not talking about standard fiber supplements like Metamucil, which, that may be helpful for constipation, but it's not the same type of fiber that has the thermogenic or fat burning effect. The types of fiber I'm talking about are resistant starches. And those are found in foods like potatoes, yams, beans, and oats. And these starches are resistant to our digestion, hence the name. However, these resistant starches are broken down by our good gut bacteria, which then produce a compound known as butyrate, a short-chain fatty acid, which I've spoken about before in other prior videos. So basically, this compound butyrate, a postbiotic made from the resistant starch we eat, has multiple and far-reaching health benefits, such as the reduction of inflammation throughout the body, improvement in gut health, stimulation of bowel motility, and even supports muscle mass as we age. And for the topic today, butyrate can stimulate a reduction in fat cells. So we have two types of fat cells in our body, white and brown. White cells are known as the bad fat cells, but the brown fat cells are good. By good, I mean they are metabolically active and they burn energy as heat. The compound butyrate actually induces thermogenesis in both the white and brown fat cells and supports the brown fat cells, increasing our metabolism in the process, lowering our weight. And if this was not enough, butyrate also decreases our appetite, acting on these famous incretin hormones that are popular, GLP-1 and GIP, to tell our brain that we're full. This is similar to the action of the popular drugs on the market that do this, like Zepbound. So again, this supports my thesis that the keto diet and other diets that are low carb are ultimately not good for us in the long run. Our biochemistry needs good carbs to keep our metabolic engines running smoothly, probably by keeping our healthy brown fat robust. And this could explain why, after dieting, many people complain that their stubborn fat is now even more stubborn. And I know it is holiday time, but I'm hoping that you can now eat some of the good carbs, like the yams, with no guilt. The real culprit is probably just the overeating in general, like that third piece of pumpkin pie. So that's all I got for today, folks. Please subscribe and like below, and I'll see you soon in the next video. Be well.